7 Cool Tips to Stay Clean and Fresh During Your Period. Many women feel a decline in self-confidence during their menstrual cycle. This is understandable, given the challenges of maintaining cleanliness and freshness over several days. Fortunately, there are ways to stay fresh and healthy. Here's how. 1. Wipe front to back. After using the bathroom, wiping from back to front can spread bacteria, increasing the risk of urinary tract infections. These infections may cause unpleasant odors, so always wipe from front to back to stay fresh. 2. Change menstrual products regularly. Pads and tampons should be changed every 4 to 8 hours, or when full, leaking, or uncomfortable. Menstrual cups should be emptied every 4 to 12 hours. Never leave a tampon or cup in longer than recommended, as this increases the risk of toxic shock syndrome, a rare but serious condition. 3. Consider cloth pads. Cloth pads are reusable and free from hormone-disrupting chemicals found in disposables. They are breathable, odor-free when properly cleaned, and a sustainable alternative. Change them when they feel wet, heavy, or uncomfortable. 4. Skip special cleaning products. The internal reproductive system is self-cleaning. Douching or using scented soaps can disrupt the area's pH balance, leading to infections. Use warm water or gentle, unscented soap for external cleaning, and avoid scented pads or tampons to maintain the area's natural flora. 5. Wear cotton underwear. Synthetic materials trap moisture and can cause irritation or infections. Opt for breathable cotton underwear to reduce sweating and odors, keeping the area comfortable and fresh. 6. Consult a doctor for sudden odor changes. Slight period odors are normal, but strong, fishy, or rotten smells, or unusual symptoms, may signal an issue. If this occurs, visit a doctor to rule out infections or other health concerns. 7. Try menstrual discs. Menstrual discs can absorb up to 52 to 80 milliliters of liquid and work regardless of body position. They can be worn for up to 12 hours and emptied without removal, offering convenience and comfort. By following these tips, you can navigate your period with confidence and ease.